Yeah, so okay, guys. Yeah, I think this is better. So, how are you guys doing? I hope you are all doing well. Okay, so I'm here again. Some of you that have been following all through on my videos. I'm sure you must be conversant with these sites. You guys must have seen these sites very well, times without number. If you have been following through my videos. So I wanted to do something on site that I discovered. Like there's a method that I want to use to check what these guys are doing on site. Yeah, so I discovered this method and I have not shared it on any of my videos here. So I just decided to share it with you guys, carry you along so that you also can try it in case you have any project or any challenges like that has to do with that. So if you can make use of that method, you will definitely find solution to whatever you want to do. It's about level instrument though. It's about how to check level instrument. But before that, let me just show you guys through on this swimming pool that I've been showing you guys on. So let me just show you guys and make sure you stay through. Make sure you stay through the video so that you can watch the main reason of this video so that you can watch it, you can see it as well and learn from it. So let me just show you guys how the swimming pool looks like, the stage, the current stage of work at the moment. Let me just show you guys how that looks like. Let me show you guys. Okay, so guys, can you guys see? Let me just show you how everything looks like here. So can you see around? Let me just show you around. So the one that I'm working on right now, it's a walkway. Yeah, there's a walkway on the water pool. Yeah, I think some of them used to call it fountain area also. So I used to call it water pool sometimes. You can see the walkway. Let me just show you through. You can see the walkway. The walkway is on the swimming pool. You can see. You can see the fountain area. This is where the water will be coming out from. But there is a walkway on it. I think it's about 1.5 meter width. So that is the walkway on the pool area. You can see, guys. We are not through yet, so it's still under construction. So you can see, guys. So there are walkway on the pool area. There are walkway on it, and there is a screening. Yeah, they are doing some screening. You can see, guys. So there is a screening on the water area that they are using for the slope. They have to take the slope area. So they want the water to flow to some direction. I think to this biggest part of the water fountain area. So you can see what they use to take the levels. You can see the gauge. Can you guys see? That's the gauge. You can see the gauge for the screening. So we use level instrument to fix that. So that we can direct the water, we can slope the water down to this big part of it. Let me just show you guys those that are screening at the moment. So can you see they've done with this part? So you can see them. So you can see they are working on the screening at the moment. So that's just it, guys. So let me just take you guys to what we really want to do today. Let me take you guys to that. So let's go and check that. Let me take you guys to that part. So there is this gate. There is this fence design that we are doing. So I want to monitor the heights. I want to monitor the height of the fence. You can see. So you can see those guys that are working on it presently. So I want to monitor the height so that we will have the same level at the top. So that even when the client comes to look at it, there's not going to be any complaint about the height or any swing or any undulation. So you can see, guys. So my level instrument is set anyway. But what happened is that I'm not going to use leveling staff. Yeah, that's the major reason why I decided to share it with you guys. You can see one of our roads. These are roads. The infrastructure that is under construction is one of the biggest road in the estate. So let me just show you guys. I'm not going to use leveling staff. So I think the major reason why I decided to share it with you guys. I'm going to be using measuring tape. Yeah, I'm going to be using measuring tape. So let me just show you guys what exactly I want to do. Let me just show you guys. I told you my leveling instrument is set already. Neymar! So let me just show you guys what exactly I want to do. So I'm going to put the level, I'm going to put the measuring tape at the starting point. So I want to check what they have done so far. I want to check what they have done. If their pole, the pole that is holding this fence is, if they are on the same height, if they are maintaining a perfect level. So let me put the tape here. Make I recheck this side. Let me put the tape. Actually, this sun go. Let me see. I'm sure. But put her. No. You go put her for that top. So you can see, guys, it's going to draw the tape down. So I will just use I will check my line of sight. The reason why I'm doing that is that since there is no reference line on the pole, and they are just fixing it, so I'm using that to check. So I will check my crosshair from the leveling instruments. So wherever the line falls, so I'm going to show you guys. Don't worry, I will show you guys through. So I want to biset him from here now. I want to biset in. Okay, the reflection of the sun is not allowing that. It's not so clear from here because I'm facing the direction of the sun. Okay, let him come to another side. So I will ask him to move to another side so that I will show you guys what exactly the purpose of what I'm doing. You don't recheck that time. Okay, let me use this one. I'm coming. Okay, let me check this one. Let me check that one. So you can see how it fixed the measuring tape. So wherever my crosshair falls, any measurement on the tape that my crosshair falls, that is what will be my benchmark. So the same level I'll be transferring all through. I will use it to check the other poles that it will be fixing. So let me check from here. So I will show you guys. So from here I have 715 from the measuring tape. Let me show you guys. So the tape that is 715 mm. So the same 715 mm that I'm seeing from here. Oh yeah, go to the next one. Go to that last one. Yes. So the same 715 that I'm seeing from that benchmark must be the same 700 that I'm seeing from that next pole. So if there is going to be any need for adjustment, either they will raise it up or they will tap it to come down, so that this new pole will be on the same level with the one that I use as my benchmark. Okay, this one now is showing me 670. So that means it needs to come up. That one will come up. So I hope you guys get what I'm saying. I don't know why it's not clear on the level instrument. So I want to show you guys my reading. So that's just it. The new method of the easiest way to monitor them. Because the reason is that I can't use leveling star because there is no. Okay, let me check again. It said I should recheck myself. So I hope you guys can see that method. Once they've mounted the pole on the beam, so I will just check from the top of the pole. So now I have 680 mm. So it's coming up by okay, this is 685. It's coming up. Okay, it's now 690, 700. So it's now 700. 20, 2 cm. Okay, this is 690 and I need 715. 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm up. It go 2 cm, 2 cm up. Go. So I will be controlling them from my leveling instrument with the measuring tape fixed to the pole. So I will now direct them, either the pole will go up or it will come down. So that is another logic of monitoring these guys, because when I was not with them, they were just fixing it and it was not level. I don't really like, so I asked them to remove it so that we can fix it all again. So that's it, guys. So that's another method that you can also use if you are checking any levels, or you want to make any reference to anything that is above your line of sight, or you don't have any benchmark related to the surface of the earth. You can easily use your tape to also check from the top down.